Hello, traders of the world. Dadas here, talking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, where I stream my trading every day. So every day you can see live during the London session and during the American session, so New York, Chicago, until the end of the session. You can see me streaming live, see my screen, see what I'm doing, and see also how I'm trading. Of course, you pretty much need to be lucky to get, to see when I'm trading, because I trade when the market gives an opportunity, and I see that opportunity, and not not all the time. Okay, so anyways, as far as the daily recap for the DAX 30 index today, well, the DAX 30 index was a pretty peculiar today. First of all, we see that during the Asian session it first went up, and then came back down, but came back down into the area of the demand levels that we plotted earlier from the H4, and it didn't make a lower low than yesterday. So basically, everything looked like this type of price action is suggested that there might be a bullish trend today. Well, during the opening of the Frankfurt and the London session, the price plunged down, and on the opening on the London session, it really plunged down hard, right? Really plunged down hard, because if we look at this one, then we can see that this one candle is 126 pips and 165 pips all the way down to the lowest, right? So but the price definitely bounced off. However, it did make a lower low than yesterday, right? But it bounced off very violently and started going up, and then went up pretty much. It didn't make a new high of the day yet, and then again showed this tendency to move back down. So it was pretty much possible that it was on this level. It was on the level of resistance. So there was a possibility that the market might be trying to go down today. However, it defended this level and started going up. So basically, on the American session, it started going up, and it continued up with, of course, with some pullbacks, but it continued going up all the way till the end of the day. So anyways, the market was, the volatility on the M15 candles was pretty high at some moments, but then it dropped down a little bit, but generally it was pretty high. I wasn't very certain about this market today. Anyways, what I actually did is I clicked like this, and I thought, and I simply went long because of this price action, of this whole price action and these levels. I went long at a minimum lot. I thought to myself, okay, let's see what happens, right? And actually, what happened is that I closed the trade at this level, and I got 79 pips. And the market actually, this candle, it actually hesitated for a pretty long time, relatively long time, right? At this level, and that's another reason why I decided to close it here. Anyways, by the end of the M15, it went all the way up there, right? And then it continued up a little bit more and a little bit more, and then it showed this specific price action right here, and I thought that it would be going down, because basically after these two candles, the candle that I entered short on, so this candle, it was hesitating on this level as resistance for a pretty long time. And I was pretty much convinced or sure that the price would be going down again. Well, ultimately, after I entered, it went up instead of going down. But still, my take profit, my stop loss was safe, and well, we don't see that stop loss. It's right there, right? This is where the stop loss is. It was safe. I mean, it didn't get taken out, so the price started moving back down. But then I thought to myself, well, this is, after all, the potential supply level, demand level. So I had better get out of it, especially that there was 11 pips, right, already. So I got out of it. And of course, the market respected this level as demand, right? So as support, as demand. And the price showed the tendency to go back up. So I entered long again. And again, I put my stop loss right there. It was pretty dangerous right here because it almost reached my stop loss, but well, they didn't. The price didn't reach my stop loss, and it bounced off and started going up. I exited this trade at 5.7 pips because I wasn't really sure if the price would do this movement or not, right? So I thought to myself, better safe than sorry, right? Okay. Anyways, yeah. In the morning, I was wondering, will they go up that way, all the way up there, or not? And actually, they did. After, yeah, but well, later in the day, but they actually did go up there. As you can see, I entered long one more time right there. At this price action, because at this whole price action right here, I decided to go long, and I closed it at, well, I closed it intuitively, let's say, yeah, and I closed it because I was satisfied, 18 pips. Okay, so I closed it, and the market, well, it moved back. You see that this is funny because this pullback right here is 66 pips from my entry price. So you know, it's not so nice. I mean, because the volatility was pretty high. I mean, started being pretty high again right here. So yeah. So it all looks funny, but yeah, but those were the ranges today. That was the volatility. So even right here, the price went away over 60 pips, 68 pips, right? So yeah. Even right here, the price went away 50 pips, right? So, you know, that's why I was trading 0-1 lot and not bigger lots, because of this further distance, right? Anyways, we can see that the price actually did get where it was supposed to get, and even a little bit higher. So basically, this type of trading would have been good as well. This type of trading would have been good as well. You know, a breakout bounce of going in the direction again. Breakout bounce of going in the direction. Yeah. So yeah. So basically, I'm pretty satisfied from what I was doing today. I didn't really make a serious mistake, or yeah. And also the market wasn't so crazy, like it wasn't going up and down and turning around all the time. Yeah, so the characteristic of the market wasn't so bad. Okay, it was even pretty good. Okay, so that's it for today's daily recap. There is nothing much else to say about it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and join my Dada's Trading Room Discord server. The link for the invitation is below. Also, you can become my patron at patreon.com/Dada's Trading System Workshop. It's also down there in the descriptions. And for as little as $5 per month, you can become a VIP on my Dada's Trading Room Discord server and get access to bonuses and other interesting channels that are not visible to everybody. Okay, and content, of course. So thanks a lot for today. Please keep safe, please keep healthy, and stay healthy, and see you next time. Bye.